Nice and slow. Inhale. And exhale out. Prepare yourself. Now we are moving to standing. So as I told you, Vinyasa is all about adding posture to posture in a flow. Now from here you have two options. You can jump forward or you can walk forward. So according to your experience and according to your practice, you can move. Now I'm jumping forward for Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Now slowly by rounding your spine, come up. Now I'm turning towards the camera. Now from here, lift your hands up. Now we are doing Tarasana here. By extending your palm upward, lift your heels up. Extend your spine. And exhale, release. Drop your heels down. We'll do one more round. Inhale up. And exhale, lift your heels up nice and slow, lengthening your spine. And exhale, release. Now you can support towards your left side of your torso. Inhale up. And now bend towards your left side, nice and slow. And inhale back to the center. Same thing. And exhale, bend towards your right. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale back to the center. And exhale, bend towards the right side. Now prepare yourself for sun salutation. Slowly back to the center. By interlacing your fingers behind your back, try to squeeze your shoulder blade together. Open your heart. Extend your elbow. Look up. Stretch. And exhale, release. Now with the next inhalation, lift your hands up overhead. Join your palm, exhale, foot forward. I can go for micro bending your knees. Inhale up for Ardha Uttanasana, half forward fold. Exhale, walk back. Drop your knees down for Chaturanga Dandasana. This is a modified version. Inhale up for Urdhva Mukha. And exhale, go back to Adho Mukha, nice and slow. Take your time. Take 5 or 3 breaths here. And most important, keep lifting your hip high. If you're feeling pressure on your hamstring or your ankle, you can lift your heels off to the mat. Look forward. Few more breaths. Nice and slow. Now slowly walk forward for Ardha Uttanasana. Look forward. Exhale, pull forward. Inhale, slowly come up for upward salutation. Lift your hands up. And exhale. We are moving to second round of sun salutation. Slowly pull forward as you exhale. Inhale up. Exhale, place your palm on a mat. Slowly stand your right leg back. Shift your weight forward. Find your Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale up. Exhale, go back to Adho Mukha, nice and slow. Now look forward. Straight your spine. Hold here. Keep pressing your heels outside. And slowly lift your heels up. Bend your knee. Slowly jump for Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale up, nice and slow. Come up and exhale. Let's do one more round. Slowly go for full forward fold. Inhale up for Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale. Slowly go back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale for Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, go back to Adho Mukha. In case if you are tired here, you can relax in child pose or you can relax in Chaturanga Dandasana. I'm kidding. Take your time, breathe. Just slowly lift your heels up. You can jump forward for Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. As we are moving to sun salutation base, slowly come up for 𝐂𝐞𝐫𝐿, nice and slow. Join both palms and exhale, go for full forward. Inhale up for Ardha. Exhale, slowly move back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale up. Exhale, go back to Adho Mukha, nice and slow. Now with your next inhalation, lift your right leg up. As you exhale, step your right leg forward by turning your back foot for 45. Slowly come up for Veerbhadra A. Exhale, drop your hands down. Move back or jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale up. Exhale, go back to Adho Mukha, nice and slow. Take your time, take a breath. Now inhale, lift your left leg up. Step your left leg forward by turning your back foot for 45. Slowly come up for warrior. Exhale, drop your hands down. Slowly jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale up. Exhale. Move back to Adho Mukha, nice and slow. Take your time. You can keep bending the knees up and down, nice and slow. Look forward. You slowly walk forward for Ardha Uttanasana, nice and slow. Look forward, extend your spine. Exhale, pull forward fold. Inhale, come up for chair pose. Exhale, pull forward, Uttanasana. Inhale out, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, slowly move to Chaturanga. Inhale up. Exhale, slowly move to downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Send your right leg forward. Slowly come up for warrior A. Breathe in, lengthening your spine. Exhale, place your hands on the mat. Go back to Chaturanga. Nice and slow. Inhale up, forward. Exhale, move back to Adho Mukha. Take your time, take your breath. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Step your left leg forward. Slowly come up for warrior A. Nice and slowly. Now, keep rotating your back leg in. Exhale, drop your hands down. Jump to Chaturanga. Inhale up. Exhale, go back to downward facing dog. Now, let's relax in child pose. Let's slowly drop your knees on your mat. And exhale, relax in child pose. If you are tired from your shoulders, you can gently round your hands back. Slower down your breath, nice and slowly. Stay there. Take your time. And slowly come back to downward facing dog. Nice and slowly. Now look forward by bending your knees slowly. Jump front for Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Slowly find your 𝐂𝐞𝐫𝐿 chair pose and exhale. Slowly extend your spine, bend around by the side, look up toward the ceiling. And exhale, slowly round your spine, hug yourself. And again, inhale, extend your spine. Look up and exhale, slowly hug yourself. Now we'll do one more round of sun salutation B. Inhale up for 𝐂𝐞𝐫𝐿. And exhale, go back to Uttanasana. Inhale up for Ardha Uttanasana, nice and slow. Exhale, move back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale up for Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, go back to Adho Mukha, nice and slowly. Take your time, take a breath. Inhale, lift your right leg up. As you exhale, step your right leg forward. Turn your back leg in. Slowly come up for warrior A. Nice and slowly. Hold here for 3, 2, 1, exhale, drop your hands down. Slowly go back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale for Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, go back to Adho Mukha, down, down. Take a time. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Step your left leg forward by turning your back foot in slowly. Come up for warrior E. Hold here for 3. Keep breathing. 2, 1. Exhale, drop your hands down. You can jump back to Chaturanga and inhale up for Urdhva Mukha. Exhale. Go back to Adho Mukha, nice and slowly. Take a time, take a breath. Now, let's do some variation here. So slowly shift your weight forward for Santulanasana, plank pose. Squeeze your abdomen, hold here for 3, 2, 1. Now slow down for Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale for Cobra. Keep your elbow bend, look forward, and exhale. Slowly go for child pose, nice and slowly.